Ourvenue.com is South Africa's leading event inquiry platform. It allows you to build customized events online, whether these are weddings, conferences, functions. It allows you to see what venues offer and get quotations in real time, really streamlining the whole process and taking out the manual back and forth way of doing things that was relied on in the past. Our packages are catered for two different groups of people. First are the actual venues, and then obviously we're providing a platform for the event planners themselves. These are DIY wedding planners, conference planners, event planners, and they can use our platform for free. So instead of just kind of showing you, here's a beautiful venue, contact them for more info, we say, here's a beautiful venue, why don't you build your customized event with them online? And that's what gives us the edge compared to the other directories out there. It's a C# application. We're hosting it on Azure. Very powerful front end and back end that we're using. It's based on the same technology that Facebook has built their platform on. It's only a single application that whenever a user kind of goes and requests a particular venue's platform, we then populate all of the information based on a configuration file. Because it's web-based, the venues themselves can link up their own personalized platform on their own websites. We've grown a lot since we launched in 2016. In our first month, we only had 60 users, whereas now today we have well over 12,000 people that are booking events through our system every month. We've got as many people planning corporate year-end functions and conferences as we do weddings. You are welcome to go and build your customized event on ourvenue.com, and if you're a venue that's interested in signing up, you can go to the same website and click on I'm a Venue and we'll take it from there.